Weather can ground your drone or your test score. Let's make sure it doesn't do either. Okay, rapid pass checklist for part 107 weather. 4 things to nail. Visibility, 3 statute miles required. Cloud clearance, 500 feet below and 2,000 feet horizontal. If there's a question and one answer has numbers, those numbers are your go-to. METAR, report of actual current conditions. TAF, forecasted conditions for the airport. Scan METARs for ceilings, cloud bases. High humidity equals reduced lift. Monitor wind direction. Note wind gusts and gust spread. Watch for precipitation. Watch for thunderstorms. Cooling ground at night forms radiation fog. TS means thunderstorm. Know the surface wind at the site. Gust spread. Pay attention to gust differences. Watch for wind shear warnings. Gusts can rock small UAS. A 10-knot spread matters. If winds exceed your drone's limits, don't fly. Watch for crosswinds near obstacles. Thunderstorms are an automatic no. Avoid convective activity. Watch for microbursts near storms. Avoid fog, low visibility hazard. Avoid icing, risk to performance. Avoid low ceilings, limited clearance. Convective SIG met severe and AIR METs less severe flag dangerous conditions. Treat them seriously. Check the weather forecast the night before. Check density altitude on hot or high elevation days. Always pull a current weather briefing. High density altitude, high, temps humidity elevation. On exam, pick answers that prioritize visibility. Prioritize cloud clearance as a key factor. Discount obviously wrong answers during testing. Memorize the weather signs. No METARs and TAF abbreviations. Respect gusts. They're a flight risk. FG means fog. Prepare and study hard for your Part 107 test, and you'll be ready. Check out the drone glossary at droneeverything.net and follow us at drone everything on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.